Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to craft the Kraken aura in Aura Craft. To begin, you will need to gather several specific auras. The process involves fusing these auras in a designated area. It is a multi-step journey, but with the right combinations and a bit of patience, you can successfully create this powerful and rare aura. Let's dive into the details of each step. To craft the Kraken aura, your primary step is to fuse two specific auras, the Shark aura and the Supernatural aura. Head to the fusion area in the game to initiate this process. Be aware that this particular fusion has a 25% chance of success, so multiple attempts might be necessary. The fusion itself will take 12 hours to complete, or 6 hours if you have the VIP Game Pass. Before you can fuse for Kraken, you first need the Shark aura. To obtain the Shark aura, you must combine the Aquatic aura with the Drop Call aura. These are two distinct auras that, when fused, yield the Shark. Make sure you have both of these prerequisite auras in your inventory. Once you have them, proceed to the fusion area to create your Shark aura, which is a vital component for the Kraken. The second crucial ingredient for the Kraken aura is the Supernatural aura. To craft this, you will need to fuse the Mystery aura with the Death aura. Just like with the Shark aura, these are specific base auras that must be combined. Locate both the Mystery and Death auras within the game. Once acquired, take them to the fusion area to successfully create the Supernatural aura, bringing you one step closer to crafting the legendary Kraken.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.